Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Find XYZ. If you are new to this page, please subscribe. We are still on the new curriculum, piloted questions. Let's try this one. The sum of three natural numbers is 70. The first number is 2/3 the second number. The third number is the sum of the first and second numbers. You have been tasked to find the numbers. Let's begin. Let's represent these three natural numbers. So I want to start by saying that the first three natural numbers are A, B, and C. Now we are told that the sum. What is the meaning of sum? It means that let's put all these numbers together. So we can say A plus B plus C should give us 70. Then we are told that the first number, so this is the first number. So I'll bring it A is, I'll bring my equal to 2/3. That is 2 out of 3. The second number, what is the second number? That is B. Then we move on to the third sentence that states that the third number. Now what is the third number? That is C. So I can say C is equal to the sum of the first and second numbers. And what is the first number? That is A. Sum means plus the second number, which is B. Now we know the value of A, which is 2/3 of B. It means that A is the same as picking B, dividing it into 3 equal parts, and picking 2 of them. So it means that wherever we see A, we can substitute this value there. So we can say C is equal to what is A? That is 2/3 of B plus B. Then we can substitute this and that so that everything will be in terms of B. So let's do that. So what is A? A is 2/3 of B plus B. And what is C? C is 2/3 of B plus B. This is equal to 70. So we have been able to write all in terms of B. Now we have 2/3 of B, we have B, another 2/3 of B, and another B. Now B plus B will give us 2B. Then 2/3, another 2/3, that will give us 4/3, right? So we have 4/3 of B plus 2B. This should give us 70. Then we can bring 3 here and then multiply this by 3. It's still the same thing because 3 divides 3. This will give us 6 over 3. Then 4 plus 6, that will give us 10. So we have 10 over 3. B is equal to 70. Then what can we do? We can multiply both sides by the inverse of 10 over 3, which is 3 over 10. We do the same thing to this side, which is 3 over 10. So that 3 divides 3, then 10 also divides 10. Then 0, cross out 0. We are left with B is equal to 7 times 3, which is 21. So we know the value of B. Now we are saying that if we get B and we divide it into 3 equal halves and we pick 2 of them, it will be A. Let's divide 21 into 3 equal parts. That will be 7. So watch this. If this is 21, divide into 3 equal parts, it will be 7, 7, 7. When we pick 2 of them, that will give us 14. So it means that A is equal to 14. So we know A is equal to 14. B is equal to 21. And we are saying that for us to get C, we have to pick A plus B. And what is A? 14. So C is equal to A plus B, so 14 plus 21, and that will give us 35. So it means that when we pick 14 plus 21 plus 35, we are supposed to get 70, and that is true. So the numbers are, which are all natural numbers obviously, 14, 21, and 35. That is all I have for you. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment, share this video to all your friends, and I'll be back with another video. Until then, I'm out.